Behind me I have an Audi A5. Morning, welcome to Chasing the Apex. It's cold, it's wet, and I think we brought the perfect car. So if you guys don't, and if you haven't already, so please do me a favor, like the video or dislike the video if you dislike the video. You know, click the subscribe button because we've got a lot of cool stuff coming. Hit the little notification bell so you know it when we get something coming. And comment below, tell us we're stupid or something. Tell me I'm an old guy. Tell me I look like Uncle Fester. That's what you guys think anyways. All right, so behind me I have an Audi A5. Now this is your standard base A5. I just got done driving her and it's absolutely magical. I don't know what else drives like this. Not in sedan form. And I talked about this and I raved about this when I was in the car. I'm like, oh my God, you know, it's got a 0 to 60 of 5.8 seconds. She's only got 244 horses, but look at her go. And that's the real key here, right? Is stats don't tell a driving truth. So when you compare an 800 horsepower, you know, supercar to it, sure, I got it. On paper, the 800 supercar just looks phenomenal in comparison. But when you get in a car, when you start to drive her, when you start to push her and you start to feel her mid-apex and you're pushing towards that next turn and you're trail baking, that's where the truth of driving comes. And the Audi A5 does every bit of that. Her fit and finish is amazing. I'm not going to give you a walkthrough of that. Okay, come on, I'll give you a walkthrough. She's got an all-leather interior. She's got a beautiful set of paddle shifters. So the steering wheel, I've already said this, but it's actually a beautiful, beautiful shape. All your controls are right here. Now, in essence, I've already talked about this. This is beautiful too. I love the moonroof, but I love moonroofs. What I really like about this moonroof is you can't tell it's a moonroof until you're inside. It actually looks like part of the car. And that just really adds to the elegance of it, in my opinion. She's got wood grain throughout. I mean, this was designed for some attorney going to go get, you know, their martini after work at the pub, you know, or, you know, at some the wife going to some posh parlor of some sort, you know. But the reality is that's all an illusion. She's really a driver. Now, I can see some BMW inspired things going on here. I mean, definitely with the you know, front panel, and you know, I can definitely see that with the, you know, infotainment system. I didn't even turn on the radio. I never do in these cars. And the reason I don't do that is because I personally don't care. I'm sure you guys do. I don't. I care about the Apex, and I care about driving, and I care about the passion that driving brings, and that's what I drive for. This is why I bring this to you, is because all the systems in the world do not equate to a driving experience. And this girl, I promise you, she's a driver. So we're in an Audi A5 Fastback, and this is its base model. This is all-wheel drive. Oh my God, that's good. Jeez. And she doesn't have a lot of horses, and this is what we always talk about. Not a lot of horses, a lot of fun to drive, good driving experience. Now, she does 0 to 60 in about 5.9 seconds, but she feels like it's 0 to 60 in Mach speed. This is really good. She sounds good. She's all-wheel drive. The roads are cold, but she don't care because she's an Audi. And I like that. Oh, God. Oh, God. She just holds. Just holds. Oh, wow. That's really, really, really good. So we're just going to downshift here. We're going to try and go a little deep. Yep, it's wet, but we're going to do it anyways. Oh my God, that's good. Just going to lower the G's through this corner. Oh, good girl. We're tired of hearing you talk about it. It's like you guys read my mind. And look at that acceleration. Look at that shifting. It's just brilliant. Brilliantly done. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Give it. That's what I'm talking about. A couple downshifts here. There we go. And it's just immediate. And you can feel it. You're engaged. You're engaged with the road. You're engaged with what you're doing. And there's no, this thing is just, oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Give me more. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! God, this is good. It's wet, it's cold, and she just holds. That's what she wants. Oh, yeah. No. That's what I'm talking about. She's going, no. Why are you stopping? Give me more. And I'm going, oh, yeah. How much more do you want? This is money. Oh, God, I love this car. This is good. All right, we're just going to slow down this straightaway here because it's a really long straightaway. And it's a trip to me. Every time I get in an automatic that really works, and I get in a car where paddle shifters really work, you're like, oh yeah, that's good. I mean, obviously I prefer a manual, but I mean, I think anybody that's into the driving experience would prefer a manual. But if you're not going to have a manual, yeah, this is good. Oh, good. Just a couple downshifts. Oh, yeah, did you see that? Perfect apex. That's what I'm talking about. We're just going to go a little deep here. The pedals are perfectly spaced to trail brake. So, and this is the Germans for you. Get out of our way. Nobody builds drivers' cars like we do. Oh my God. This is wonderful. Oh my goodness. Yeah! Did you see that? Almost no understeer. Holy heck. That's good. We're just going to go through the sweeper here, and I'm not going to try and not freak the people coming out the other way. Oh yeah, okay. So we're going to go uphill. I don't know what the camber's like, but we're going to go uphill. Oh yeah, we have some camber change here. Okay, we're going to go deep. There we go. Atta girl. Hold. Yeah! She just does it. She's telepathic. That's what's going on here. Oh my goodness. What a great car. Oh, and she's good on the brakes, which is good because that would have sent me off a hill if she wasn't. She's just so confidence inspiring. Oh yeah, we're gonna go through this set of S's. All right. Downhill on camber. Come on. Hold, girl, hold. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. All right. Come on, girl. Come on. Oh, you love me. That's what's going on. Oh, boy. Why have I never driven this car before? How come nobody told? I blame you all for not telling me this thing was this good. Holy good Lord in heaven help me. We're just going to turn around. We're going to go back down that road
because it's that good. You guys have been holding out on me. That was absolutely brilliant. Oh my goodness. Son, Holy Spirit. Whoa! You are good. All right, sweetie. Give me one more run. And that was our first run. I don't know what our second run's gonna be like. There's almost no getting to know you here. It's like I already know her. Oh, you're like the... Oh my goodness. This is good driving. Give me a downshift. Oh yeah. And this is where it matters, right? We could talk about stats all day long, you know, and stats don't tell the whole story. Downshift. Oh, look, no brake. Nice. Oh, there she goes. Little bit of brake on the rear. That's okay. She loves me anyways. She's, that's okay. I got you. And she just wants more. I don't know if I can give her more. These are public roads, mind you. Whoa, my. What a car. Oh, downshift mid-corner. Ah! Yeah, baby. God, this is wonderful. She just holds and holds and holds. Oh, Audi, you did something here. Oh my goodness. And this is what you want. This is the point where it matters. I'm gonna bang her down a couple, and you're like, oh yeah. Because you want to fall in love, right? This is the one. If you drive this car and you don't fall in love with it immediately, you're I don't know what you're driving. At 248 horses, she's absolutely brilliant. She doesn't feel jarring. She feels like, oh, I've done this before. And I've done this a long time. And I've danced with so many. And you're just another dance. She doesn't have to be gaudy. She doesn't have to be loud. She doesn't have to be angry. She lets her skill do the talking. Downshift, downshift. Yeah. Mid-corner. Good. Holy heck. God, it's good. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This car does it all. And just doesn't pretend to do it all. She really does it all. And that matters. I even blew that corner a little. And she just held. Oh, there we go. That's the money. Now we found her. Atta girl. She started to brake, and then she's like, no. Plenty more. I got plenty more. Oh God, she's good. She's even better in the tight stuff. This is where she's home. And I don't understand for the life of me how you can take this on around the block and be like, I don't like it. I'd be like, I mean, I wouldn't know that about this car had I not been driving it like this, but oh man, this is good. I don't know what else drives like this. Not in sedan form. Is there something else? Is there something better? I don't know. She does everything. I'm just gonna charge this corner, get on the brakes hard. Yep. Nope, she holds. Good God, she's good. She is so damn good. She doesn't make you work. And I'm trying. I mean, I've made her tires break a couple times. Made that rear go, made that front go, but you're working real hard to do that. You just, I mean, you're pushing her. Okay, good. Hold. There you go. Atta girl. Go. I love you. See, this is what I want. This is what I want in a driving experience. And this matters. You can keep your 8,000 horsepower super beast. I want this. I want this experience. Atta girl. Good girl. Oh, yeah. And she sounds great. You know exactly where to shift. Oh my gosh! Audi, you have done something amazing. Wow. Go. Atta girl. Hold. What am I worried about? You're an Audi. Absolutely brilliant. Wow. I need more of that in my life. I'm just gonna put her in automatic and cruise back now. I'm gonna go check in with the adults. I'm gonna go check in with the grown-ups, let them know I'm alive.
So thanks for watching Chasing the Apex. You know, as we evolve, I mean, this becomes more and more fun. We're really trying to tell a driver's truth, and we're doing that for you guys. And we appreciate you guys watching. We appreciate you guys commenting. We really do take the time to try and answer every comment. Even if you only got to, hey, I'm old, 10 seconds into it, we're paying attention. We know there are 66,000 viewers and growing. We've only been around 5 months. We're not special, but we appreciate you watching us. But do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. It helps us be ranked, or at least helps us be looked at. So help the old guy be looked at. I mean, come on, we're just old guys, you know. And there's a team of us, it's not just me. Even though you see me every video, there's a whole team. And generally, before I even show up to the site, the car's there, the cameras are ready, they've already driven it, they're trying not to give me their opinion because they want me to give good feedback, a good, honest opinion. And we do have other drivers, and if you look back, you'll be able to see people like Eric and Bill, you know what I mean? And you'll be able to see Steve, and you've seen our director of production before, you know what I mean? And he can drive too. But all of us are drivers, and that's what we care about, and we care about the driving experience. So just remember, follow the old guys, follow the yellow brick road, hit the subscribe button for us. Thanks for watching Chasing the Apex. See you next week.